I don't try to settle. Hindi ako na-settle sa parang insecurities ko na, wala na, ganito na lang talaga ako eh. I try to do something about it talaga.
Huwag kalimutang mag-like, follow, and subscribe upang manatiling updated sa iba't ibang kwento ng Kayod.
How do you deal with not being too conscious or insecure dito?
For me kasi, especially when I go to events, syempre I meet a lot of other content creators there. And then minsan glass skin talaga.
Oo.
Like what you see on
Ang gaganda, ang kikinis,
Diba?
ang tatangkad.
what you see on camera is really what you get. Ako parang wala akong filter. I don't put filters on.
Hindi daw kailangan.
I don't put filters on my videos. Di ako nagsusmoothen ng skin. What you see is what you get also. Pero I myself see my insecurities. I see the blemishes on my face. I see sometimes biggest insecurity ko is yung body shape ko. And then makita ko sa iba bakit parang ang ganda nila pero parang lakas pa rin naman kumain. They still get to enjoy the food. Pero then I realize na parang it's what they portray online. Pero so I try to secure myself by focusing on what can I improve. How can I improve it? And then I'm gonna do it. One of my biggest insecurities lately have been my yung weight ko. Kasi nag-gain ako na weight from like few years ago. And then I got very insecure about it to the point na people started noticing online. And then usually kasi I don't notice, hindi ko pinapansin
Yeah, I
comments sa akin,
understand.
yung mga bash sa akin. Pero kasi ako, the thing is, I was noticing it. And then the part pa na other people were noticing it also. So doon na siya nagka-impact sa akin. What I did was, instead of maging malungkot ako about it, I try to do something about it. So even though it costs more, I try to mas finisipag ako na mag-workout, mag-diet. Insecurities are normal.
Yeah.
Insecurities are normal. Pero if it's something that pwede kang gawin about it,
It shouldn't hold you back.
it shouldn't hold you back. You do something about it. I don't try to settle. Hindi ako na-settle sa parang insecurities ko na, wala na, ganito na lang talaga ako eh. I try to do something about it talaga. And yan, it's really kasi a constant journey of growth eh. That involves growth. Accepting that you have insecurities and doing something about it is a part of growth.
Pero ang hirap nung
It's
part
hard.
na yan
It's hard.
ng industriya natin. Same with what you said after the UAAP.
Yeah.
Napansin ko na I was gaining weight.
Ah.
And I don't know, I feel like there is a certain image na acceptable
Acceptable. Yeah.
for people.
Yeah.
So, lagi akong conscious na, okay, may samgyup. Magsa-samgyup ba ako today?
Di ba?
Deserve ko ba?
Yeah.
Mga ganong bagay.
Sometimes,
Yun yung mga hindi nakikita ng tao.
Yeah.
Yung hirap na yun.
Especially when you're seen online.
Oo.
When people see you on the screen. It's hard.
So, yun yung isa sa hard part ng pagiging content creator, pagiging public figure na hindi alam ng maraming tao.
Yeah.
Yung branding na ipapakita mo.
branding. Yung magsasabi siya, parang di naman masarap yan. Pero may mga magsasabi siya, shucks, ang sarap niya na,
Ano recipe
magawa
niya?
ko nga yan, di ba? Kasi